Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from GitHub. First, you'll want to create a free GitHub account, which is your central hub for code. Next, install Git on your local machine. It's the essential tool for managing your code versions. Familiarize yourself with fundamental Git commands such as clone to get a project, add to stage changes, commit to save them, and push to upload them. Finally, set up your Python development environment, perhaps with an integrated development environment like VS Code, to write and run your code efficiently. To begin your learning journey, use GitHub's powerful search bar to discover Python projects that align with your interests. You can filter these results by criteria like the number of stars or forks to find widely used and well-regarded projects, or by recent updates to see active development. Always prioritize projects with comprehensive documentation and explicit contribution guidelines. These are invaluable for understanding the codebase. Many projects also tag issues as Good First Issue, offering excellent starting points for new contributors. Once you've found an interesting project, the next step is to clone its repository to your local machine using a simple git command. Always start by thoroughly reading the project's README file. It typically contains crucial setup instructions and usage examples. Then, take time to explore the code structure, identifying the main Python files and understanding how they interact. Running any provided tests or example scripts will give you immediate feedback and help you see the project's functionality firsthand, solidifying your understanding. To actively contribute, first fork the repository. This creates a personal copy where you can make changes without affecting the original. Start with small, focused changes, perhaps fixing a minor bug or improving documentation. Once your changes are ready, create a pull request to propose them to the original project maintainers. Be prepared to engage with their feedback, as this iterative process is a fantastic way to learn and refine your coding skills. Every contribution, no matter how small, helps you grow as a developer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.